So we will be focusing on what are the various stages in the processing of chicken meat. That is what is involved. So there are a number of steps how to convert a live bird into a ready-to-sell meat product. You might have already seen how they are doing the killing and processing of chicken, and here we are discussing the that stages in a step-by-step manner. It can be broadly divided into pre-slaughter handling, slaughtering and evisceration, chilling, cutting, packaging and storage. So we will see what are the main steps. One is pre-slaughter handling. By pre-slaughter, slaughter actually means killing, and before the killing what we have to do, the birds has to be carefully caught and loaded into transport crates. So for transportation you might have seen all these things, then transported to a processing plant, minimizing the stress. That all people will write like that, but there will be a lot of stress. Everybody knows that. Then unloading and holding. The birds are unloaded and kept in holding area with controlled temperature and ventilation. So these are the equipment that we are using: catching crates, transportation trucks. We have seen that, and holding cages. We will be after that. If I think there are some videos are available. So this is what are the first steps which are involved in the pre-slaughter handling. Second is coming to the killing of the bird. One is stunning. Birds are rendered unconscious to minimize pain. And here we don't see any such thing. There we know how they are killing the chicken. So that is a stunning. Then slaughtering. The birds are blood by cutting the carotid artery and jugular vein, just like cutting the neck. That is what they are doing, and that is the slaughtering of the chicken. Then, and for that there will be electrical stunning system or water bath stunning. We have not seen it here. Then controlled atmospheric stunning using certain gases, so that there will not be much pain for that. That is the principle of that. Then bleeding conveyor, automatic shackle that hang the birds during the bleeding. So this kind of machines are available. Then scaffolding and defeathering. The birds are immersed in hot water. This you might have seen if you have gone to a chicken shop. This is how they are doing. They will be putting in hot water for some time so that the feathers will be loose. Then mechanical plucking machines are there to remove the feathers. Here they will be removing the skin, and that is how people are doing here. Then scalding tags are there, where usually with the temperature control of 50 to 60 degree, and that is mainly to remove the feathers. So then rotary drum type rubber fingers to remove the feathers efficiently. This kind of defeathering equipments are available. Then evisceration. Evisceration means removal of the internal organs, especially stomach and intestine. So you might have seen that sometime, even in the case of fish, they will be doing that, because these organs will be containing a lot of bacteria. If they are present, the infection rate will be more. So that is why these internal viscera, heart, liver, lungs, intestine, etc., they will be removed, and that process is known as evisceration. Then cleaning and inspection of the dead body, that is the carcass. So here mechanical eviscerations are the automated machine, because in large chicken farms they produce thousands of chicken every day. Manually this process may take a lot of time and lot of effort. Now there are automatic machines are there, and head and feet removal machines are there. Then inspection, I think once we have seen a video something like that. So that is the evisceration procedure. Then next is the chilling procedure, rapid cooling of the carcass to reduce the bacterial growth. That is the fast chilling. Chilling means fast cooling, means there is when the meat is prepared and immediately it is cooled with lower temperature, not taking so many hours, but sudden cooling, maybe within 5 minutes or 10 minutes, so that there is no possibility of this developing in that. So that is the purpose of that. So then, and that is the purpose of fast cooling. Then for that chilling tanks are there, air chillers are there. So these are some of the equipments which we are using for chilling. Then cutting, deboning and further processing. That is another stage. The carcass is cut into parts, breast, wings and thighs will be removed. Then deboning will be deboning, removal of bones. Then and further processing for marinating, breading and forming. So here for that different types of machines are also available. You will see some of them. Then packaging portions are packed for retail or bulk sale. Then the packaging can be done either by vacuum sealing or wrapping. This kind of machines are there. Then storage and distribution, that is another stage. They will be stored in refrigerated rooms before the distribution. So these are the main steps which are involved in the processing of the meat, and these are, so if they ask for a question, all these steps you have to highlight and write. Now we will see in a video of how this all process can be done.